Hello girls, here I am at Michels and I found that they bring this new line for the UV resin and they have all this goodness here. Girls, here are everything to do the UV resin.
Okay, Alex, I found one of those.
Everything you need for the UV resin. Look at that. They include that kit, and that kit has the lamp and has some UV resin. It's like a starter kit for $50, and the lamps are $14.99. And then you have all the glitters, the inks, flowers, gems, you name it, everything, and all the jewelry and all the molds to create your resin pieces. And that's the resin, the bottles of the UV resin, and they are $19.99. And the molds are $7.99. And these ones here, the metal charms, are $5.99. So I don't think it's a bad price. And don't forget to use coupons. Bye bye girls, and thank you for watching.